Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So today we're gonna be discussing continuation of our segment in IT, web and mobile apps topic, subject. So our topic for today is let me share my slides. Okay. So our topic for today is about there's a problem. Okay. Our topic for today is about different server technologies, hardware, software, and also operating system. Okay, so server technologies form the backbone of modern computing and internet services, enabling storage, processing, and delivery of data to clients worldwide. Server performance and capabilities depend on three key components: hardware, software, and host operating system. So understanding this different between these components helps organizations select the most efficient setup for their needs. Now, when we say hardware, the machines, now, in the client sector, software, the online application operating system. Uh, it can be like Windows, no Windows 11, can be host operating system. Software, host OS is Windows, no? The software might be um, the support individual program, okay? Like for example, Zoom, no? Okay, software can be like in the frame relay, in the router, stuff like that. So understanding the differences between these components helps organization select the most effective. Okay, for the purpose of our session, so we're going to examining differences. Examining differences is to understand how each component contributes to server performance, scalability, reliability, and security, ultimately affecting delivery of web services. Main points here, number is web server hardware. So by definition, the physical machine that stores and processes data networks clients. Na? Characteristics include CPU, RAM, storage drives, SSD, HD, hard drive, network interface, and cooling system. We have rack shelves, blade server, tower server. In consideration, performance, capacity, redundancy, or rate, na? The efficiency, scalability. Then we have web server software. Application responsible for handling hypertext transmission protocol requests. Na? Is an agreement. Delivering web pages and managing traffic. Examples Apache, HTTP server, and the Inks, Microsoft IIS, NetSpeed, and so on. Its function, process clients' requests, and send responses. Okay. Support security protocols. KSSM, TSM. Handles load balancing, caching, URL, universal resource location, and redirection. Example, it will configure your HTTP address and then you will have your web page now. Third point is host operating system. We have the operating system installed in the server hardware now. Support server, software, and application. We have Linux, for example, Windows now, and many types of uh, variants now. The differences: Linux open source, cost effective, high stability, large community, support Windows Server, GUI based management, strong integration with Microsoft products license cost now. And also we have Unix BSD. High security, robust performance, open use in specialized environments. So for validation, that's Labs 2024 Web Server Survey, Apache and NGI Inks collectively power over 60% of active websites, with Linux being the most widely used host operating system for web server due to its reliability and cost effectiveness. That means it's cheap now. Research in the Journal of Computer Network shows that Hardware capabilities and OS optimization directly impact server throughput and response time. For instance, now, e-commerce website might use hardware dual processor rack server with SSD storage fast order processing. So for AGI inks for high concurrency and efficient static content. And then we have host OS, Ubuntu server stability, security updates, and cost savings. Now, apply in small business may choose affordable Linux-based server with lightweight hardware and Apache. Enterprise often deploy high-end rack servers, virtualization, and Windows Server for integration with enterprise tools. Cloud providers use optimized hardware clusters with custom Linux distribution for scalability. The value of well-enhanced combination of hardware, software, and OS ensures optimal server performance, lower operational costs, better user experiences. Selecting and the right technology can reduce downtime and increase security and resilience. So most businesses is actually struggling for the cost, so they might have the Linux. Okay? Conclusion: the hardware provides the physical power, software managed service delivery, and also as ensures operational stability. So understanding their differences allows organization how to build robust, scalable, and efficient server environment. They look to the operational cost. Okay, we get it from that graph, Tannenbaum, Nemetto. For any questions, you can call us now. Thank you for having me.